This is going to be a video tutorial on how to do a factory reset on a Windows 11 PC. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To do a factory reset on a Windows 11 PC, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my little start icon. I'm going to right-click on the start icon. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to the one that says System and click on System. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see it says Recovery. Click on Recovery. And then right up here, Reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files when reinstalling Windows. You would click on Reset PC. Then it gives you the option to keep my files, removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, or do you want to remove everything? This removes all your personal files, apps, and settings. If you're doing a more or less a factory reset, you would want to select Remove Everything. Now I'm not going to reset my PC, so I'm not going past that. That is how to do a factory reset on a Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.